he once said anything to the holy prophet, people would die for him. So all I want is this love should be converted to what the prophet asked us to do, to his sunnat, to his sharia, to his way of life. Because the Quran orders us that we must follow the way of the prophet, because he is a living Quran. He personified what is in the Quran. So therefore, all I want our younger generation is to learn. So the Rahmatul Alameen authority, there are various things, but one of the things is that in universities and colleges, we want there to be research done about his seerat, his life, so that our youth is aware of his life, his history. How did he change the world? How did he transform those Arabs into leaders of the world? How did two superpowers of the time crumble in front of this war of ideas? He raised the morality of these people. He made them into leaders. For them to understand that they are, there's a Western culture, but there is an Islamic culture. You can't force anyone to follow anything. There's no compulsion.